Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you an app. It's called Hilokal Learn Language and Chat. So basically it is a language exchange app you can use for improving your communication skills. So you can see it's called Hilokal Learn Language and Chat. So you can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store. So you can see the rating of the 4.6 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really good. And 9k reviews, it means 9,000 people say something about this app. We will see it later. And 96 megabyte size of the app. And you can see 500k people already downloaded this app or uses this app. Okay, so we'll see some screenshot. The main feature like get fluent, so you can create your groove and your room, and then drop in audio. You can talk audio and speak and learn. So you can see people speaking there and make friends. You can also make friends there and smash the language barrier, so you can learn language. And there are a lot of things, translations. You can also translate through this app. The most popular language exchange cafe in your hand. So it's really helpful. If you really want to learn any language, then this app will be a perfect place for you. You can see language exchange practice, learning how to speak and write with fluent native. And here are some key feature we can read before installing. And the app is released 2021. It's not too long, 2 years ago, and in these days it's going popular. And we'll see some reviews, what people actually think about this app. We'll see 5-star ratings. It was good app. Nowadays it start to lag too much. I guess after update I am facing a lot of issue. And the good thing is the authority or the app authority give you the replay all the feedback you can see. So if you face any problem, you should let them know and they will fix it. And we'll see some negative reviews. I spent about 2 months on this app helping people boost their self-confidence and speak English, both 6 months premium for myself. So it's not totally free. If you want to get whole feature, then you have to buy the premium package. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful, and I will create more videos how to use this app in upcoming tutorials. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.